Welcome back! Now that you've successfully logged into ClassLink and set up your Google account, you're ready to view and submit assignments. Students in pre-K through 5th grade will use Seesaw to create, reflect, and share assignments with their teachers and families. Students will use this tool whether they are on campus or participating in remote learning. To access Seesaw, all you have to do is select the Seesaw icon in ClassLink to open your student's account and view assignments. Here you can see a new activity has been posted as shown with the red number. Click the Activity tab to open the assignment. When they're ready to start the assignment, they can click the green Add Response button to open the activity. In each Seesaw activity, students can respond to questions using tools to type, draw, drag and drop, or they can add a picture or video and use the microphone. There may be times when a teacher assigns a template so students can only use the specific designated tool to complete the activity. During the assignment, your students can click View Instructions at the top to read the teacher's instructions. Your student may start an assignment but stop before they're ready to submit their work. They can just click on the orange draft button to save it. When they return to complete the assignment, they click on the Finish Response button to complete their work. When your student completes an assignment, they should click the green check button to submit their work. Keep an eye on this. You may need to click this button more than once for certain options in order to submit the assignment. Later, they can check the Journal tab for teacher review and comments. While your student may complete an activity in one class, they should look to see if they have assignments in other subjects. All they have to do is click on their name in the left corner to open pages for their other classes. Remember, if you have more than one student using Seesaw, make sure each one logs out of ClassLink before the next one logs in. And that's it. Seesaw makes it easy for your student to complete their assignments. For additional information, please visit the Comal Parent Center at comalisd.org.